Hello, Z-Fam. How's it going? My name is Zach. And tonight, I'm out on a walk in the rain. And I love it. Love it so much. And my phone's getting wet, but I just like walking out in the rain. It's fun. It's really fun. I like all the puddles that are wait, is that on? Yeah. My phone's getting wet. I like all the puddles. Oops. Ah, that one was a really deep one. But yeah, I like all the puddles. I like just walking around. It's just amazing. Sometimes there'd be these pockets of these downpours of rain, and that's what I really like. You can blame me being raised in the Pacific Northwest of the United States for that. Up in the Seattle area, up in the yeah, I guess it's the Seattle area. That's why I like rain so much. It's just this big. There are these pockets of like downpours of rain, and I just love it so much. I think it's starting to get a pocket downpour again, maybe. I don't know. But my socks are wet now, so that's great. I'm not too worried about that. I love the rain. When I was little, living near the Seattle area, you can hear it. When it would rain, and I would always run in the puddles like, oh, this is a good one, like this. Actually, that was a better area right there. I can show you there. Right here. I used to do that, like, and I still do it sometimes. Sometimes, not all the time, but when it rains, I do that, and it would just make me happy, and I have no idea why. I just love the rain. I like all the puddles it brings, and I like standing out in it sometimes. That's why I'm vlogging. I have a hood. I've got a hood right here, but I choose not to wear it because I choose not to wear it because I love the rain so much. I just want to stay out and just enjoy it. I don't really get to experience rain now that I'm here in Southern California. But whenever it does rain, I like it. I like it a lot. Anyways, until next time, this is Zach, out.